Hello there, welcome to Traveldia. Today we are going to see how to apply passenger locator form for United Kingdom. It is a mandatory document for persons who are visiting or transiting via United Kingdom. If you go to Google and just type passenger locator form, the first site will be shown as UK government site. It is like the official site is www.gov.uk. This is the official site. Go to the official site, that accept the additional cookies, the thing that is okay. After that, read the instruction carefully which is given in the website. You can submit the form anytime in the 48 hours before you arrive in the UK, and you need to have a negative COVID test certificate. That is very essential. Providing a negative COVID certificate test before travel to the UK is very essential and mandatory. And after that, read the instruction and start filling the form. Okay, the link will be given in the bottom of the site, and also I have added in the description box. This will ask, do you have a passenger locator form account? You can create account, or without creating also you can start doing the thing. So I said, like, in the case I'm not having any account, so do you want to create an account? No. So register an email. So just give the email ID which you are using, which is accessible, and repeat your email ID. Select the password of your choice. Password should be minimum 8 characters. Save and continue. Then enter the telephone number. Give a primary number. Along, you can, if you have any secondary number, you can enter it. So I am just providing my number. You need to repeat the same telephone number again for confirmation, just in case the system need to check if there is no error. Then mention the method via which they can contact you, the government. They can be contacted by telephone call and text message. I am selecting that option. If you want only telephone call, you can use that one. If you can select only text message, that is one. You can also select there is an option you cannot be contacted by any mode. Now enter the given name, surname, that is family name. Then save and continue. So enter the date in which you have planned to enter UK. So in this case I have planned for 7th day of June in the year 2021. Enter the time in which you will arrive. Then when do you plan to leave the UK? This is for the transiting one. So passenger locator is formed for the persons who are transiting via UK. It is mandatory for all the persons who are transiting via UK. Then select your gender, male, female, prefer not to say, male. Then enter your date of birth. The order will be like D D M M Y Y Y. Then save. If you have any home in the UK, you can enter the UK address. If there is no home, then you can enter no and enter the address outside the UK. My home address is in India, so I am entering the Indian address. Enter the town, state, postcode, country. The site requires all the details, so kindly fill. So say, like, without entering the city or state, you can't skip, so that is very essential. So now this is crucial part, so type carefully. So you need to enter your passport details. Again, you need to enter your passport details, like travel document. So now the preferred travel document is passport all over the world. Earlier it was like some other travel card, document, etc. But now the standard document is passport. So enter the passport number, country of issue, and expiry date. Enter the day, month, and year. Then save and continue. So describe your travel plans, like what are your travel plans. I plan to stay in the UK, travel to UK more than once within 48 hours. For example, like a crew member, change flights in the UK within 24 hours. Just in this case, I am transiting. So when will you arrive in the UK? Like where will you arrive? This one, like I arrive to London, that is London Heathrow Airport. So I enter LHR, or you can type London Heathrow. They have the drop down box, so you need to type the airport name. It will automatically shown in the drop down, and it will say like which countries are you traveling from. I'm traveling from United States. Which company are you traveling with? This is the airline number: Lufthansa, Emirates, British Airways, anything you can enter. I'm traveling via Emirates. What is the flight number? So you need to enter the flight number from United States to London. I traveling via EK 101. You need to enter your seat number. Just in case if you not knowing your seat number, you can type 000 or NA. So where will you depart is the airport from which you are departing. I'm landing in London Heathrow and I am departing from London Heathrow, the same airport. So I am typing LHR. So suppose you are traveling from different airport, you need to enter the different address. So again you need to fill which operator you are traveling. I am traveling again via Emirates. So the second flight number to my destination country and the seat number. So these are the questions. Are you traveling to the UK with anyone under? No, I'm not traveling anyone under 18. Once you click and submit, this is the form, and this you can edit before submitting. Once you submit, you can't edit. After the declaration, read it carefully and select save. Once the form is submitted, you will get a reference number. Note the reference number, and you can download your form. Copy also will be sent to an email. Okay, so see, this is with the QR code, UK visas and immigration. Well, listen, this document contains all the information which you have entered and shared to the government. Take a printout and submit to the airport authorities before you leaving the country. Take 2 to 3 copies. Okay, thank you. In case if you have any doubt, kindly contact us. Kindly like and share and subscribe our videos. Thank you. The description shows all the information things for filling the form, and the official website also given in the description. Thank you.